The Engine of Creation, Unleashing Your Imagination with Napoleon Hill. Today, we embark on a journey into a chapter particularly dear to me and creative minds, imagination, from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. As creators, we understand the magic of imagination on a visceral level. It's the playground where ideas are born, stories take flight, and innovations come alive. But Hill argues that imagination is much more than just daydreaming. It's the very engine that drives our desires towards becoming reality. Imagine a world without imagination. I just can't. It would be so boring. No soaring symphonies, no breathtaking paintings, no groundbreaking inventions that have transformed our lives. Imagination is the birthplace of possibility, the fertile ground where the seeds of our aspirations are first sown. Here's why Hill considered imagination a cornerstone of success. Let's start with this: the cradle of creation. Every invention, every masterpiece, every groundbreaking concept began as a spark in someone's imagination. It's where the impossible becomes a possibility, where limitations are redefined. Fueling the fire of desire. Imagination breathes life into your desires by vividly picturing your goals in detail. You ignite the fire within and propel yourself towards achieving them. Visualization creates a roadmap for your subconscious mind to follow. Beyond the obvious, imagination allows you to break free from the shackles of the ordinary. It lets you see beyond limitations and envision solutions that might seem impossible at first glance. It's the birthplace of groundbreaking innovation. Napoleon Hill further delves into two key types of imagination. So I always think I have more than two, to be honest with you. But I'm probably wrong. Synthetic imagination. This is the art of combining existing ideas and concepts into something new. Think of it as taking pieces from your creative toolbox and building something innovative. A chef might use synthetic imagination to create a new dish by combining familiar ingredients. I always say, like a thermostat. Remember when it used to be this little box, and now this is super creative, high-end thermostat? Like someone took something that was existing and made it better. Creative imagination. This realm sparks pure genius, where entirely new ideas are born. It's the spark that ignites groundbreaking innovations and artistic masterpieces. Leonardo da Vinci's concept of a flying machine, centuries before its realization, is a prime example of creative imagination. Can you imagine if we started flying in Leonardo da Vinci's time? I'd have been afraid to fly, let me tell you. So, how do you tap into this incredible power within us? Here are some actionable steps. Nourish your creative soul. Surround yourself with experiences that inspire your creativity. Visit museums, listen to music, explore nature, and most importantly, immerse yourself in the works of other creative minds. The more diverse ideas you encounter, the richer your creative fuel becomes. Question everything. Don't accept the status quo as gospel. Challenge assumptions, ask what if, and consistently cultivate a sense of curiosity. Curiosity is the key that unlocks doors to new possibilities. Embrace playfulness. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and simply play. Sometimes the most brilliant ideas come from unexpected moments of lighthearted exploration. Da Vinci, for instance, was known for his playful approach to invention, often using models and sketches to explore his ideas. So let's take a moment to explore some inspiring examples of imagination in action. The Wright brothers. Imagine a world where people fly. The Wright brothers didn't just dream it, they used their imagination to design and build the first airplane, defying what everyone thought was impossible. Their unwavering belief, fueled by their imagination, paved the way for modern aviation. And I'm so thankful. I love flying so much. It's just such a beautiful experience. Marie Curie. This scientific pioneer wasn't just discovering new elements, she was pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Her relentless curiosity and imaginative approach to scientific inquiry led to the discovery of radioactivity, a discovery that continues to impact medicine and technology today. Those are just two examples. There are so many more in history of creativity and action, and I hope to be one of them someday because I am creative and I know there's something stuck inside of me, but it's coming out soon. I feel it. So if you're ready to unleash the power of your imagination, here's your creative action plan. Schedule creative time. Block out dedicated time in your day to simply explore, brainstorm, and play with ideas. Whether it's an hour in the morning or an evening dedicated to creative pursuits, make it a regular habit. Capture your sparks. Keep a notebook or sketchbook handy at all times. Jot down ideas, sketches, or anything that inspires you. These sparks can become the seeds for future masterpieces. I would even put one near your bed if you wake up in the middle of the night with an inspiring dream. Embrace the impossible. Don't let limitations or self doubt stifle your creativity. Embrace the power of what if. Challenge yourself to think outside the box and explore the seemingly impossible. As Hill reminds us, the creative faculty within man is capable of weaving dreams into tangible realities. Remember, your imagination is a muscle that needs exercise. The more you use it, the stronger and more vibrant it becomes. So unleash your inner creator. Harness the power of possibility and watch your dreams take flight. Let's weave, let's create, and let's watch our imaginations transform the world around us.